What is data center? How backup power works in data centers? If power interruption, what is the consequences? What is a data center fire suppression system? Data center needs 24/7, 365 days cooling system and uninterrupted power supply. What is a data center? A data center is a physical space where organizations can store their hyper-distributed data, within a safe and secure facility with dedicated and reliable power, and network transmission. How backup power works in data centers. Grid power supply. Grid power supply or EB power supply is connected to ATS or AMF panels, then power supply goes to UPS always, but we can't rely on EB power due to natural or man-made disasters, therefore data center requires dedicated uninterrupted power supply on 24/7, 365 days. Power interruption due to natural disaster. Diesel generator power supply. Dedicated backup generators for data centers provide power supply when the main source of EB or grid power goes off, then DG set will automatically switch on by AMF panel. Then power supply goes to UPS continuously until the main grid power is restored. UPS power supply. Data centers power supply mainly connected to online UPS only. The UPS supports computers, servers, data communication systems and other equipment during sudden failure, voltage drop, or any power interruptions without any power interruptions. If power interruption, what is the consequences? A sudden power interruption can mean serious consequences for a data center. If the power goes out, even for just a few minutes, it can cause data to be corrupted, leaked, or lost altogether and huge business loss. That's why effective power distribution and a dedicated uninterrupted backup power system very much important, and this is non-negotiable. Data center HVAC systems. Air-cooled racks. In-rack cooling. What is a data center fire suppression system? Data centers are absolutely crucial to a range of different industries and store wide range of important information, so it's crucial to make sure they are kept safe at all times. One of the biggest risks to your data center is fire, and despite being a fairly rare occurrence, they can be absolutely catastrophic if they do occur. There are a number of fire safety systems. FM200 Fire Suppression System, Cylinder and Accessories. FM200 is used in fire suppression systems for a variety of applications, including data centers, bank vaults, museums, and more. HFC 227EA. Concentration levels of 7.9% to 8.5%. Works by reducing and absorbing heat. Novec 1230 Fire Protection Systems. Novec 1230 Fire Protection Systems is engineered to provide clean, fast, people-safe protection for applications requiring a green solution to fire suppression. The system includes detectors, a control unit, agent storage cylinders, piping, and discharge nozzles. FK5-1-12. concentration levels of 5.3% to 5.6%. Works by reducing and absorbing heat, VESTA system in data center. A very early smoke detection apparatus, VESTA system is a smoke detection system that is commonly used in data centers to protect people and property from fire. WLD stands for water leak detection, and a water leak detection system in a server room monitors for leaks and alerts the user. Water leak detection system protects computer systems from damage caused by water leaks, can help prevent data loss, can monitor temperature and humidity, and can detect smoke risks. Rodent repellent system. Rodent repellent is a device unit that emits ultrasonic sound waves to create an acoustically hostile environment that repels rodents. This helps to keep your data center free from rodents. Rodent repellent system can be installed in your data center premises, and an ideal place to mount this repellent system is a wall corner of 3 to 10 feet of the floor. Difference between server and data center. The main difference between a server and a data center is that a server is a single device, while a data center is a facility that houses many servers and other equipment. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for partnering and trusting us as your preferred integrated facilities management partner. Call us today for business inquiries India and UAE. This video is educational purpose copyrighted material.